Hi up, welcome to G Motorbody. We've got a Ford Ranger in today. It's got some damage on the side. So it's got damage to the door, the post and the rear tub. If you look on the inside as well, it has took the internal door shut. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to get this tub loosened off, move back so we gain access to this, pin and pull it, the same with this. So let's get into it. So the tub is now back. We can see the repair. But to get the tub back, we've had to take this one bracket off. We had to take this one bracket off. We've had to take a few brackets off. But this one was a bit challenging. It went up back there. And to get one 17mm bolt made up at top, from the inside, we've had to take all that off. And these are the tools we've used to get this one bracket. So that's off, that's back, so now we can start repairing it.